Hi guys, welcome to the X800 YouTube channel. Today we're back out in the Subaru. We're heading over to Leicester. The old boy's having a little bit of work done, so we'll show you what it was all about later. So guys, we've arrived in Leicester, and basically, as you know from a couple of meets we've been to, people are always saying rev it up, let's hear what it sounds like, and there's always disappointment on their faces. So we've decided to change that, and the boys at Cougar are going to do their thing and fit a nice new system on the car. Now, I'm sure you'll agree, that's not good enough. The levels need to be up.
Borla alert, it's a Borla alert, work for them dollars, yeah. Borla alert, it's a Borla alert, work for them dollars, yeah. Borla alert, it's a Borla alert, work for them dollars, yeah. Ballin' ain't, yeah, I'm the baller of the year, yeah. Borla alert, better work for them dollars, yeah. Borla alert, better work for them dollars, yeah. Yeah, I tell them all to pay, yeah. I'm telling cars of every year, I'm the baller of the year, yeah. Drop it to the flow, bitch.
Is that a dragon's mating call? I'm sure you'll all agree the Subaru sounds so much better than it did stock. Thanks to Mitz and Cougar Store, the service has been immaculate, the product is great, and they did it in no time at all. There's a link to the website in the description, check them out, and there'll be more to come from the Subaru. Cheers guys.
Borla alert, work for them dollars, yeah. Ballin' ain't, yeah, I'm the baller of the year, yeah. Borla alert, better work for them dollars, yeah. Borla alert, better work for them dollars, yeah. Yeah, I tell them all to pay, yeah. I'm telling cars of every year, I'm the baller of the year, yeah. Drop it to the flow, bitch, like it's
I think everyone can agree, 10 times better than stock. This is how Subaru should sound. Cougar Store have smashed it. Cheers guys. The system, if anyone's wondering, is a Borla system, which is from Tarmac Sportz. Chris there helped me out, service again, brilliant, couldn't be happier, nice one. There'll be a link to the description to Tarmac Sportz as well as the Cougar Store, so make sure you have a look at them and check them out if you need any extra bits done to your cars.